Hi, Rhett Bayless with the Processing Point here. Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at Square and compare it directly with a traditional merchant service account. Now, we all know that incorporating a mobile payment processing solution into your business can save you a lot of time and a lot of money. And Square is a visionary product that fills a much needed niche in the marketplace. But traditional merchant service accounts also have their benefits. So let's find out what side of the line your business falls on by comparing the rates, service, and fees of the two products, and you make the choice as to which one can benefit your business the most. Alright, so seeing that there's hundreds of different merchant service providers out there, all of whom have some sort of mobile payment processing solution for your business, I'd like to simplify the process and just look at the Merchant Doctor's solution. Now, the Merchant Doctor solution is actually this device right here. It's called the phone swipe. It works very much so like the Square device. It just plugs directly into the audio jack on your phone and enables you to take both in-person swiped credit card payments as well as hand-keyed credit card payments. So let's compare the rates, service, and fees of the two companies and see if we can figure out which one would be a better fit for your business. Now, first off, both companies offer a no contract, no monthly fee, no monthly minimum option. Square's rates for that option are 2.75% for all of your swipe transactions. Now, if you have to hand key a transaction, it is going to cost you just a little bit more at 3.5% and 15 cents for that transaction. Now, the Merchant Doctor's rates for this option, all of your swipe transactions are 2.69% and 19 cents, and all of your hand-keyed transactions are 3.49% and 19 cents. So very comparable there. However, if you do a lot of volume on your mobile processing solution, then the Merchant Doctor does offer what's called a high volume account. Now, this can benefit a lot of people doing more than about $5,000 a month because it allows you to set up interchange plus pricing. And that rate is going to be interchange plus 15 basis points and 14 cents per transaction. And that does come along with a $12 a month fee. Now, Square does not offer any high volume option for their clients. They do, however, have a $1,000 a week limit on all transactions. So what this means is any 7-day period that you process more than $1,000, any amount above $1,000 will be held for 30 days. So let's say you did $10,000 in one 7-day period. Well, you're only going to see $1,000 of that. The remaining $9,000 will get held in your Square account for 30 days and then funded to you. Whereas with the Merchant Doctor, all of our accounts are set up on a custom account per account basis for your average cash flow and ticket size. Now, Square does say that they do their deposits in 24 hours. The number one complaint I've been seeing is that deposits are actually taking 4 to 7 days with Square, whereas with the Merchant Doctor, you're guaranteed 24-hour deposits. Now, the second biggest complaint I've seen with Square is their customer service because they have no number to call. There's no actual person you can talk to. All of their customer service is done strictly through email and Twitter, whereas with the Merchant Doctor, not only do you have an account representative, but you also have a 24/7 customer service line if you have any emergencies or needs, or just simply questions about your account. Now, probably the biggest complaint that the industry has had with Square is that their device is not encrypted. What that means is that it's very easy to take the Square device and turn it into a credit card skimmer, allowing for people to sell credit card numbers on the black market. Whereas with the Merchant Doctor solution, the phone swipe is actually encrypted end-to-end. So what that means is when you swipe a credit card in here, all of that information is encrypted instantly before it's even sent off to the app, which renders this device useless to anyone but you. Now, another thing that Square does, and this helps keep their costs down, but what they do is when you set up an account with them, they actually put your account into a shared or pooled account where there's multiple businesses and people running their funds through that account. Whereas with the Merchant Doctor, you're going to get set up with a unique account. There will be no other funds other than what is done with your business running through that account. And finally, Square does enable both personal and business use. So what this means is if you want to have a more productive garage sale or an easy way to share money with friends or family, then Square works out great because they allow for that personal use. Whereas that is not a use that you're going to get out of the phone swipe. The phone swipe is intended for business only. Now, that's not to say that if you're a crafter or a farmer that goes to farmers markets or crafts fairs all the time, that it wouldn't work for you, because it actually would work out very nicely for those needs. It simply is not intended for personal sale of items like garage sales and things of that nature. So what does this all mean to you? Let's take a look. So is Square the right fit for your mobile payment processing needs? Well, I think it comes down to use. If you're going to be using it for mostly personal items like more productive garage sales or simply transferring money amongst family and friends, then Square is a visionary product that fits a great niche in the marketplace. However, if you're a business owner, I think you're truly going to appreciate the increased service levels and more secure systems of a traditional merchant account. Now, it is true that if you process less than $3,500 a month, this merchant account will cost you just a little bit more, but I think you'll appreciate the difference. So this has been Rep Bayless with The Processing Point. I encourage you to leave your comments and questions below, and also to jump on over to Facebook and give the Merchant Doctor a like so that you can be a part of the Merchant Doctor revolution.